So back in 2017, towards the end of 2017, I replaced the exhaust on my 2002 Honda S2000. This is a picture showing the OEM exhaust uninstalled. It's all one piece, so it's quite difficult to get out by yourself, but not too bad. It's just a little heavy. The cat's also attached there, and once I got it off, of course, I couldn't resist a cold start without the muffler on. So yeah, I just wanted to see what it would kind of bark and sound like without any muffler, but that was short-lived because I have the Tanabe Medallion touring exhaust going on. It's been on the car for a couple of years now. I've just failed to make this video for quite some time now. But this is just a layout on my front lawn showing the difference between the two. I really wanted a dual exhaust because I don't think the car looks right with a single exhaust. The profile here has the Berk high flow cat up front, and just a nice comparison showing the quality and how beautiful the Tanabe Medallion is. This is a picture of the mid pipe with a big resonator on it. The Tanabe exhaust is a high quality unit and is made in Japan. It's all stainless steel. So here's a little picture of the Berk high flow cat. I was kind of disappointed because it's listed as a 62.5 millimeter pipe, and as you can see here with my caliper, it was only measuring like 63 millimeters OD and 60.7 millimeters ID. So it's not really 62.5 all the way through. This is an internal view of the high flow cat. Pretty much looks like any standard cat. Maybe the cells are a little bigger. And once I put it back on the car, this is how it looked. I think it's one of the best, if not the best looking aftermarket exhaust for the S2000, and sounds very, very good on this car.